Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deafen in Discord and what it actually does. So let's begin. First, make sure you have the updated version of Discord installed in your in your computer. Next, I would like you to log into your account, and over here you will actually see the option which is the headset icon over here on your profile tab. That is the deafen option. So if you're going to click on this is gonna mean that you mute incoming sound from others and also mute your own mic. It basically blocks all voice chat so you can't hear or be heard. So technically speaking, you are removing your headset from in-game or any live stream. So if you want to, like for example, like you're talking with someone in real life, you would like to quick access instead of lowering the build. Lowering your volume or trying to turn off your headset, you can simply click over here, and nobody will be able to hear you. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.